Hi YouTube, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'll be resetting the all maintenance on a 2017 Kia Niro hybrid. Alright, you'll be using these buttons right here. Alright, you press this button to switch and go through the different menu. Go down to service intervals, press OK. It's not set, so you're going to set it. We setting it to 10,000 miles because of customer's request. Okay. Months, 6 months. There we go. Save, yes. All life reset. Subscribe to the page, Automotive with Adam Levine. Thank you.